As a capital construction leader at a city, county, or public agency, you know that the projects your team works on will impact your community's quality of life for years to come. But small and mid-sized public agencies face unique challenges in planning and managing their capital programs, like a diverse range of construction projects, public accountability requirements, a lack of modern tools, and most importantly, limited resources. Introducing Aurigo Essentials, an all-in-one construction project management solution that has been purpose-built for small and mid-sized public agencies. Aurigo Essentials helps cities, counties, and public agencies ensure every construction project is delivered on time and on budget with modern cloud software that is affordable, easy to deploy, and easy to use. Aurigo Essentials includes everything you need to plan, manage, and report on each project so that everyone on your team is working from one version of the truth. Full lifecycle construction project management, including project scheduling, estimation and bid management, resource management, contract management, and approval workflows for both vertical and horizontal construction projects. Portfolio planning and fund management, so you can group projects for budgeting purposes and distribute and track funding across your entire program. Mobile functionality, workflow automation, and built-in document management make it easy to collect and monitor data electronically, streamline workflows, and comply with open records requirements. And online reports and dashboards give team members and leadership real-time visibility into every portfolio, project, and contract. Using Aurigo Essentials will help your organization operate more efficiently, reduce project risk, and ensure your program's success. You will increase productivity by 30 to 70%, eliminate paper forms, increase transparency for all stakeholders, improve your team's collaboration and onboarding experience, prevent cost overruns, and most importantly, deliver projects on time and on budget. Best of all, Aurigo Essentials is easy to buy and easy to set up. You can purchase through RFP, co-op agreement, GSA, or directly through Aurigo, and you can be up and running with a modern cloud and mobile solution in a matter of weeks. That's why the cities of Fargo, Lincoln, and Virginia Beach, along with Snohomish, Pinellas, and Adams counties, and water districts in Florida, Texas, and California, use Aurigo to ensure every construction and maintenance project runs smoothly. Our team of construction project management experts is standing by. Contact us today for more information on Aurigo Essentials.